Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple web app that generates QR codes and charges the user a small amount for every request. We'll be using the platform Small Transfers and its Next.js starter project. We can go into the dashboard. Here in the settings, we can set the name of the new service that we're going to create. Let's call it QR codes. We're going to leave the redirect the same because we're deploying it locally first. And we're going to be using these publishable and secret keys. We clone the start project, install the QR code package, install the types for the QR code package. We also install Zalt for some additional type safety. And finally, we install a few more UI components. I've now opened the project in Cursor. We'll now create a copy of the example file for environment variables. And we populate it with the keys and the session password. We now run the project locally. And this is the page we see. I'm going to sign in with my test mode, customer account, and small transfers. And here I confirm that QR codes project can charge my small transfers account. I can now make a paid request, and this makes calls to the small transfers test mode. As you can see, the starter project already comes with the logic to charge the user, but without the business logic, which we will add now. The API route is called paid requests, but we will rename this to QR codes. First, we can add some types. Then we can add the logic to get the data from the user and generate the QR code. And finally, we can create the response of the appropriate type and return. We update the API file. Add the relevant state variables. We fix the API call. And we can ask the AI to generate the input form and the download button. And there it is, a simple form for the user to enter a link or text and a button for generating the QR code and a way for the user to see and download the generated QR code, as well as the skeletons for when the generation is in progress. And this is the updated web app. If we now enter a URL, it will generate the QR code. It will also charge the user, and we can download the image. In order to take this live, we simply need to create a live merchant account on Small Transfers and swap the publishable and secret keys. Then we can deploy it anywhere. Probably the easiest way is to deploy it on yourself. And that's it. Links in the description. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel for more ways to create web apps with Small Transfers.